How to fix Windows settings won't open on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix the Windows settings won't open on your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with your Windows, search for CMD and go with Run as Administrator. Click on Yes, and here you just need to simply enter a command which is sfc /scan now. And after that hit the enter, and it will take some time and it will scan your whole computer and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply right click on your Windows, and here you will have the terminal as an administrator. So you just need to simply click on it and then go with yes, and it will take you to this kind of interface where you just need to simply enter a command which will be in the description. So just copy paste this command and then hit the enter. Once you hit the enter, it might take some time and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then move on to the next solution. Go with the CMD and go with Run as Administrator. Click on yes, and here you need to enter the next command which I've pasted in the description. You just need to simply copy and paste the command, which looks like this. So you just need to simply copy and paste the command, or you can simply enter the command by seeing right here. And after that, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the last solution is to open up your settings. And you can go with the bottom left, which has that Windows update. And you just need to simply check for updates. And if you have any updates, you need to update your Windows. Once you've updated, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix your Windows settings won't open on your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.